from this to this. A transformation of a messed up Shih Tzu to a beautiful cutie pie. Hi, my name is Vishal and you are watching this video of MUMgroom, a house called pet spa services and academic training, where nothing is free. So let's see, how do we do it? We start with shampoo wash, and then we apply conditioner, and then we wash properly. After washing, we have to dry the dog properly with hot air blow dryer. While drying, we have to keep brushing and brushing, combing until the dog dries up completely. We have to make your dog hair fluffy, smooth and silky. This is not that easy look like. Sometimes this process takes more than 3 to 4 hours. To know more about pet grooming services, visit MUMgroom.com.